Two. I need this gray piece and this piece. Can you use your seeing eyeglass to find those, please? You don't even know. Look, it was this piece, but no, it's bigger than that. No, it's not two. I just need one. Yes. This is your map, your GPS. It's the map. It's the map. It's the map. It's the map. Can I have the steering wheel? Okay. I need a pink block. I need a weird blue one. I need a flat purple one and I forgot what this is. Are we in the back of the car now? Tell me to turn it around. Just expected I know this. I need two more of those. Purple pieces, little purple pieces. Okay. We need two little red ones. Is that yellow or orange?
There's only orange.
Two orange. There's no orange. And I need these black pieces.
Two.
We're making the headlights. Oh, the rear lights.
Two.
Yes, I need two. So we're at the back of this. Alright, look at the list I need now.
It's a water beach.
Yeah. I need a black piece. Okay. What are you looking for? Didn't touch it. I said I didn't touch it. Listen. There we go.
Just remembered where but that was
can't feel my leg. Sorry. Just a little car thing. Mm-hmm. Okay.
You bald. Bald.
You're gonna be bald soon. I don't know where this piece goes. Ah, I see.
This is Carrot. He's from a parking lot.
A parking lot? Look, it's snowing again.
Okay.
Find me these 3 blue pieces, one of each, please. You assumed correct. Okay. We need this thing that looks like a micro lava. Where's the glass?
Glass?
Or the door? Where's this door? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I have to put. No, wait. I have to put something on it. Stop grabbing your fingers. What are you doing? Just leave him. Listen. Why is she leaving me? She's moral support. Squirrel. Look, this is where Pickle's food goes. Oh, and on the other side. Why is that so randomly in the middle of this? Oh, okay. That makes sense. Well, I didn't understand why. No. Peep is not coming on his bed. No, sorry. No. No. That's your towel. Thank you. What's the matter? No, I don't. One singular grape to refuel. That's all I get.
Yes, Dalton?
Um. No.
What are you guys, Mom, what are you building?
We're not taking the tires.
Will you go get Mom another grape? Please?
I'll give you two.
Okay. Thank you. Gives me something to do. Whether or not he eats them before he gets back.
I offered him a grape.
How'd you do? No. Thank you.
I want one too.
Thank you.
What is this?
Oh, the box. It's a Jeep. Kind of.
It is a Jeep. Mom. Guess what? But
Yep.
this dog is my favorite.
Pickles? It's Sissy's.
Pickles.
Well, it's still Sissy's.
I like pickles.
It's still Sissy's. What is?
Pickles is a big.
The spider?
Yeah. It depends on how long your video is.
I'm just gonna look at this.
I'll get Mom another grape.
You
Why?
get this one too.
Please? Why don't you just get the whole bag? And we'll
Yeah.
just have a picnic.
Yeah, go get the whole bag going.
I'll just get these extras.
Okay.
Whole bag. It looks like it.
Okay.
I need the tires.
I need a yellow one. And this weird black thing. And these. Me too.
Get these two. Get these next.
Oh, why do you have the cheese?
We don't need the whole cheese.
Grapes and cheese. Fancy.
But the whole bag.
Have a picnic.
Well, hold on. We'll each take one. Oh, but that back.
I don't want one.
You want one?
I want grapes.
Alright. Okay. Where's those two? Okay. Hold on. I can't get into my cheese. They're up here. I can't get into my cheese. So I don't get cheese. No, I need 2 of everything. Will you get the others, please?
Mm-hmm.
I need the blue thing. Do you want any cheese yet? No.
I don't know what that is. Yes, that's a carrot man.
That's my carrot
What? I don't like carrot man. Well, I do like carrots. Oh, why is there a white attire
Hot chicken.
Hi, pickles. Hi, pickles.
I can you over mine.
So that goes in there.
Easy.
Go. Go.
That's a trail too. Oh, where are the tires? Where are the tires from? Why's the tires not on?
Because we're not to that step yet.
Where'd your ladder go? The ladder like this.
We're not there yet.
Isn't that bad?
You're just gonna hold cheese.
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, I want
I
some
have
cheese.
no breath there. The breath doesn't stay here. That's where they went.
Mama can make some too.
Fine.
How long are we
How long are we
gonna be home?
gonna be home?
How
Where do you want to go?
long is this gonna be done?
Well, I'm just having a little bit of a snack.
Go there. Go, Scotch, go here.
Do you need some help? Oh my.
It's impossible. Daisy, go. Stretch it. Okay, no.
Mama,
Oh,
look. I see a picture of you in it. Look.
that's Sissy. Dada.
I want to tell you. And Mama,
What?
this is
you. You weren't even one.
I wasn't even.
Zero.
Go. And my grapey.
All right, the moment you've been waiting for. I'm gonna put the tires on.
That's what I was waiting for.
They're not tied to my tires.
I don't need them.
All right, this is where we're at.
It's wrong way.
All right, time for bag 3. Open her up.
Louder, that one.
Go.
Now, where do I see the ladder? Oh, I see it right there.
So little happy parcel.
Oh, it's for the top. We need that. Don't touch it. Okay. And this big guy.
I should go do it.
Well,
I should go do it. What?
leave it alone.
These?
Don't break
Go
it.
there. I was. That's a 10. So, what's a 10? Whoa. Mom? I know when me and you, I know when I was a baby.
You know what?
I know when I was a baby.
What do you remember?
No, look! Me and I go like a campsite. Like, oh, not in my room.
You remember when we went camping?
No, just me and Dada. Just me and Dada, I remember.
No, we were there too.
You and Dada have never gone camping, just the 2 of you.
You and Mike came?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I didn't see you and with me and Dada. You're
Mama
not.
was taking the picture.
Huh?
Mama took the picture and pretty sure Sissy was with Cody.
No, Cody didn't come.
What picture are we talking about?
The one with the orange jeep and with his little bear hoodie.
Oh.
But where
Okay,
is
can you open the other bags, please?
Oh, I already see it. Oh, Mom, I was going to put these here. Mom, guess what? Look. This is, I had one of those on my Lego. One of these on my Lego.
Did you?
Yeah, like one of these ones.
Oh, yes, you did. It had the money. It had the money.
But where is that money?
This one doesn't have money. That's not what it's for.
It's a fridge.
No, it is, I have more money in it. Okay, what are these Legos for? To make this? But what is this? Is this a campsite? Yeah. Serious?
Mm-hmm.
Then where's the pizza?
What do you mean, where's the pizza? That's a cookie. Right here.
Serious?
Yeah.
I called it pizza.
Put it right there.
Okay. Put it right there.
Don't stick it on.
It's fine.
I put it.
I need a gray piece with a knob on it.
A knob.
I need a gray piece with a knob on it.
What? We want it. A knob on it. What are these?
Put down.
I have one of these too.
Actually, it's over in the pile of garbage by the fire. So you might want to go pick it up.
Why?
Because it's gonna go in the garbage if you don't.
Go!
Bubbling.
Okay. I feel something is wrong. It's wrong. I have it. Do I have to do the same thing for the other side? No. Oh, my Lanta. Okay. We're gonna build it different. Okay. I never said in the little bin. I said the garbage pile by the wood stove. Okay.
I need to get up first.
Figured it out.
Am I going here?
Must.
I can see.
Can you guys? There's room. Daisy is holding my
I don't eat it great, but I can't.
Eat it great.
I don't want to taste it.
Hmm?
I want the grapes there. I can't see. I want to see the Jeep. Hey, where did my Jeep go?
That's not yours.
No, I was just.
I need a small gray piece.
Right piece?
Two.
The carrot? How am I going to do the carrot man?
The carrot man is irrelevant to this building. Okay, I need the other gray bendy piece.
Great.
Right here. Okay, let's not make this backwards. So, let's do it correctly this time. I need another piece with a knob.
No. No. I said a no.
Didn't do it right.
No.
Go put the grapes in the fridge. Your fingernails are digging into my ankle.
Okay, go put the grapes away, please. Five.
Okay. I'm trying, but I can't with my Oreo.
Is there no more of those pieces?
You know that's not a real spider.
Whoa, whoa,
Don't touch it.
How did you make it do that?
whoa. Open.
So what's this?
Did you put the stickers on now?
No. Okay, whoa. Something.
No, I'm in the picture play.
Something's wrong here. Back it up. Alright. So, I had... Okay. Okay, please stop. Yeah, I know. I understand that. Now, please stop. But I don't understand. Is this all of the pieces?
I see two cookies.
I need this.
Two cookies.
Found it.
I like cookies. I see two more cookies. Look. We're having a sleepover.
What? We're not. We're building Lego. Somebody there? Where's the other microphone, Pete?
We made a fort.
Yeah. And then they both broke them.
We don't make a fort.
If they would have left them, they would have froze, and then they could have used them for a few days. But
See, I also left my shovel out there in the middle of the lawn.
that's not good. Yeah. Okay.
My goodie bag.
Great.
Yes.
We need buns. Get out of that.
I
Are we not invited this trip? Enough. Did you fart? Stop.
You were just falling asleep on my hand. Why are you standing up? Sneaky, I was patting him and he's falling asleep on my hand.
Are we not invited this